Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can verify your identity on the Krak app. So let's get started. Now in the last video I showed you how you can open your Krak account, and now let's go ahead and just verify our identity so we can start using the Krak app. So let's get started. Now first off, just go ahead and tap on verify identity right here, and then just tap on it right here again. Then to complete your investor profile, just go ahead and tap on continue. So right here you just need to first provide some info about yourself and the source of your income to the Krak app, and then we can move on to the actual verification process. So what's the main source of your funds that you will invest? So I will just select income from self-employment and then tap on continue. Then how much money do you think you'll deposit and withdraw in a month? So I will select less than 1,000 euros and then tap on continue. So this you would of course need to do it for yourself and your own spending habits. Now I will just tap on continue once you select one of these. Then depending on your country, you would just need to input your identification number. Then after that, just go ahead and tap on continue. Now next up, you would need to input your address, so your residency address. And then once you made sure that all the data here is correct, just go ahead and tap on continue. And this is the last step. So right here, Krak would need to make sure that you're actually a real person, and they do this by you taking a picture of your ID or a government issued password. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Now you would just need to tap on continue to get started. Then before taking the picture, you would need to select the country where your government ID is from. So I will leave it at Croatia and then tap on continue. Now you would need to select which type of government ID this is, or that you will be taking a picture for. So I will just select my driver's license. And then you would need to take the actual pictures. So let's go ahead and quickly do so. Now after taking the first picture of the front side, you would need to take the picture of the back side. Then after uploading both the front and the back side of your ID, this will be the screen that you will see next. So they will quickly process your ID, and then you will know if you need to retake it. As you can see, I do, or if they will just automatically accept it if the image quality is good. So I'm having some issues with it because I didn't input my full last name, but if you inputted all the data correctly, if you're taking the pictures of your ID, you should be able to verify your account and then start using the Krak app. So essentially guys, that's how you can verify your identity in the Krak app and get to use it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.